Compatible with Fiat 501.4L 2012-2019, 500L 1.4L 2014-2020, 124 Spider 1.4L 2017-2020, 500X 1.4L 2016-2018, Dodge Dart 1.4L 2013-2016, Jeep Renegade 1.4L 2015-2018. Replaces Chrysler 68,094,002 AH, 68,102,241 AH, 73,500,049, FRAM CH9713, PUROLATOR L16162, Wix 57,341. Built for both synthetic and conventional oils. Proven to drive up to 5,000 miles between oil changes with confidence. Greater engine protection by optimally screening out 97% of harmful contaminants such as carbon, sand, dust and bits of metal before they can get into your engine. Hassle-free installation with included O-rings for housing and cap. Top reviews from the United States. Works perfectly for my 2015 Fiat 500 Abarth. It works as intended. I took my car to the shop last year to change the oil and filter, and this was the filter I used. About a year later, the notification came up to change oil and filter again, so I went with the same choice as before. Might as well pay here and bring the filter yourself than pay at the dealership. Highly recommend.